Wow.
Sounds about right. Did you hear it? Did you feel it? Northeast Ohio shaken by what the National Weather Service believes is a meteor.
That video of something streaking across the sky comes from the bus garage at Olmsted Falls City Schools, with another Fox 8 viewer then showing us the sound, too, that it made. Reports of that big boom, even shaking, we're seeing all across Northeast Ohio, from Parma to the Akron area and everywhere in between, all along the North Coast, as we welcome you to Fox 8 News at noon on this St. Patrick's Day. I'm Stephanie Schaefer.
And I'm Joe Toohey. It's the story everyone across Northeast Ohio either heard themselves or has heard about all morning. Our Dave Nethers is standing by in Brooklyn Heights with the latest information and everything we know. Dave.
Right, this actually got a lot of attention from everyone in our viewing area this morning, including here at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland, where their toys here give us a much better understanding of what we all heard and felt early this morning. But first, let's take a look at that video again from North Olmsted. It is video from a garage there that clearly shows a center of the screen, the image of a meteor streaking through the sky. That was after 8:40 this morning. The sound of it breaking up was heard and felt across a vast area, as you just heard, from Paynesville to Solon and Medina County and beyond. Also felt here, where the light from that meteor breaking apart was recorded as a lightning flash, now believed to have first broken up about 27 miles over the middle of Lake Erie on a north to south trajectory, then continuing with the fragments possibly over southern Medina County. Scott Rodlowski is here with us. Scott is actually, you were a lightning specialist for whom this was going to be a very boring day until he pulled up for work and heard that himself. Scott, this image fascinates us, and if you could give us a sense, please, of what we're looking at here.
Certainly, yeah. We have up in space, we have a lightning mapper that detects lightning, a very detailed lightning maps. And so we saw this immediately after we heard the noise and knew that there wasn't any lightning in the area. We see this really elongated flash. The lightning mapper said that it was 13 different lightning flashes, but we know it was a meteor that was exploded in the atmosphere. The instrument actually shows us that there was likely two explosions, one when it first broke up over Lake Erie, and the second one, which is what we heard and saw over the city moments later.
And this line is the center of Lake Erie between the United States and Canada, and that's where the first dot appears, going again north to south over here. And this, where it ends, is over land, which means there could be fragments somewhere.
It's possible, and we'll know better with time as the NASA scientists are able to look at the trajectory and understand how much might have made it to the ground, but it's very possible at this point.
Thank you. Scott Rodlowski was actually a lightning specialist here. Scott's also showed us this image, and this image is fascinating because what this tells us, all the many, many dots here, is that this kind of an event actually happens way more often than we may believe. Each of these dots representing an image, Cleveland being right here, or an event, Cleveland being right here. What is unusual, according to Scott, about this event is that it was so bright, so loud, that it happened over a populated area, and that it happened during the daytime when everybody at home, of course, heard and maybe felt this. So we'll have more about this amazing event this morning throughout the day on Fox 8 News and on Fox 8.